Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Inshot is updated. This avoids missing features. Open the project and import your clip, then move the playhead to the exact spot where you want speech. Add a text box now, because Inshot links text layers with text-to-speech options. Once done, you'll have a target for voice placement and timing. Make sure audio isn't muted, and select the text layer so the app surfaces the voice tools you need next. With the text box selected, tap the TTS or voice icon in the text editor. This launches voice options. Choose language and a voice that matches your tone, then set speed, slower for clarity, faster for urgency. Preview the results so you hear pronunciation and pacing. Make small speed tweaks because those change perceived naturalness. Once satisfied, apply TTS, then trim start and end points so the speech aligns with scene changes or on-screen text. This creates seamless sync between audio and visuals. Now finalize by exporting a short segment to confirm levels and sync. Listen on headphones and speakers. If the voice sounds off, re-edit the text for punctuation, reselect a different voice, or reduce speed by 5 to 10% for clarity. If TTS options are missing, check your device's text-to-speech settings and app permissions. Sometimes voice is live at the OS level. As a last resort, reinstall or update Inshot. That often restores missing voice packs and resolves glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.